Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how we can join a group on LinkedIn. Also, I wonder why you want to join a group on LinkedIn. You want to join a group because you think that when you get into that community you will get more information about it. For example, if you are related to marketing field and you just want to meet people of that background, so you just want to join a group that is related to marketing, so you will get more information what is happening in the market and what people are doing and other information related to marketing. Or maybe there's any other reason for you to join a group on LinkedIn. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description. You can check that as well. So simply open LinkedIn and make sure you have already created your account on it and it is linked with it. After opening your account, you have to click on your profile, which is on the top left side of the screen. Here you will see an option which says group, this one. So just simply tap on it and there you could see it says discover groups. So what you have to do is you just have to click on discover to find out the groups that are related to you. If you are NFT person, then you could find NFT related. If you're engineer, then you should discover engineer related groups and so on. So here I clicked on discover and there you could see all these groups are related to my field. If you have a specific one, then on the search bar you can type of that and the all groups related to that will appear. If you're an engineer, then you should look for engineering group, and likewise doctor, professor, teachers. Everyone should find groups related to their field. So to join a group, you just have to simply tap on that group to just get a part of that. So here I clicked on it. There are few things that you have to make sure that first you have to read the title of the group, how many members are there. You have to look for its description, read its rule and everything related to that group. You can also see who are running the group. After that, if you like that group and you think that this group could ever help you in achieving your goal, or if you think that it is very much suitable for you, so just click here and then you will get a part of that group. So what will happen that your request will be sent to the admin, and whenever that admin gets online, they sees your request to join a group, then it's all up to them if they want to add you in that group or not. So if they accept your request, then you will be added into that group, otherwise you will not become a part of any group. But you don't have to worry, there are plenty of more groups available. You just have to tap on it, read its title, its description, who are the admins, how many people are there, and if you just like them, just simply join it by just clicking on it, and then your request will be sent to them. So if you ever want to join a group, this is how you could do it. Also, this was the easiest way I know through which you can join a group on LinkedIn. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates, and thank you for watching the video.